The Ethiopian wolf is one of the rarest carnivores in Africa. As the name suggests, this canid is endemic to Ethiopia. The largest Ethiopian wolf population is found in the Bayo Mountains. It has long limbs, pointed ears, and a slender snout. This red-colored wolf has a white underbelly and a black tail. There are white markings on its face, legs, and tail. Despite living in packs, they are solitary hunters. This sort of hunting behavior is unique to only this wolf species. They generally feed on giant mole rats and common grass rats. However, on unusual occasions, they work in groups to hunt down antelopes, lambs, and hares. Habitat. Grassland.